I don't cheat. I just help people emotionally. You people like to exaggerate things. Not every connection is physical. Some are humanitarian.
I miss your voice. I couldn't sleep last night thinking about you.
That one is counseling session.
At 11:48 p.m.?
Emotional emergencies don't check time.
So your ministry opens at midnight.
You know I have a caring heart.
Does your caring heart send heart emojis too?
It's encouragement.
Some people call it help. Some people call it cheating. If I did the same, would you call it humanitarian? Cheating doesn't start in the bedroom. It starts in the inbox. Call it whatever you like. Just don't call it loyalty. If you have to hide it, it's not help, it's betrayal. Define your boundaries before someone redefines them for you.